another bolt is there, that is the square bolt. Okay, square bolt is there, 80 mm long and 20 mm nominal diameter with nut. Okay, take the length of thread is 40 mm. Okay, here there is no washer, only nut and bolt. Okay, calculation is very important. Same calculation, diameter 20, minor diameter will be 0.85 d, will be formalized same. Side of square bolt, yes, that is not required actually. Thickness of bolt K, 0.8 d, 16 mm. Thickness of bolt means this one, thickness of head. Okay, thickness of nut, that is here 20. Okay, remaining length is given. Okay, just try this one. So it has a two types of view. Okay, one is view across flat. Flat means you can see the bottom or a side. Okay, you can see at the side, this is flat view and this is the corner view. Left side with reference of left side, this is the corner view. Okay, so if the corner view is there, here look at this one, the chamfer is visible. In the front view, chamfer is visible. In the flat view is there, with chamfer also box is visible in the head of the bolt. That is the difference. Okay, you have to observe this one. See in the hexagonal bolt also. Okay, what happens in the hexagonal bolt? Your keep this one with respect to edge. Okay, with respect to corner means the whole box is visible here. The whole box is visible. Chamfer is not visible. Okay, see look at this one. That is the difference here. See from the top you are projecting to the corner here, correct? So this is the corner. So that's why it is showing the full box, including the chamfer. Okay, so with respect to edge is there, definitely the chamfer is there. Okay, that's why you have to show the chamfer. Understood? From the top view, sorry, yeah, from the top view. So how it is visible? Chamfer with box. Okay, so I will go for the rectangle by center. Look at this one. So what is the this one? So total diameter 20 is there. Next you have to go for the this one, side view of the square headed bolt. Okay, that is yes, 1.5 into D. 1.5 into D. That means you can say 1.5 into D, 20 plus 3. So totally 33. Okay, calculation is very important. So I will go for the rectangle, sorry, square. So 33 width and 33 length, and angle will be 0. Okay, so I will go for the circle. Okay, so exactly how to place it exactly at the center. Otherwise, first draw the circle, then draw the square. Okay, this is outer diameter is over. Next, you have to go for the inner diameter. So inner diameter, same diameter 17 is there. Okay, so we'll go for the diameter 17 over. Okay, next I'll go for the line command. So this line is axis line. Make it 0.25. Okay, we'll draw the XY line. Thickness will be 0.25. Full. So here they are not asking any view. Okay. No view, third view here, only two views are there. So I will go for the projection. Right. So next you have to go for this view. Which dimension is there? Calculate. Better you have to calculate this one. Thickness of hexagonal bolt head. Thickness of bolt head. It's not hexagonal, it's a square. Bolt head thickness you have to calculate it first. That is 0.8 into 20. 16 is there. Okay. So 16 means from the center it is 8. Okay. So I will write the 8 dimension. Otherwise, go for rectangle. Okay. Rectangle. Try to do this one up to here. See, look at this one. It will ask the 2 points. Okay, so 16 is there. Type it 16. Enter, and up to this point. 33 over. Use the shortcuts. 0.5. Okay. and go for the line length. What is the length is here? Total length, it is given 80, correct? So go for the length from the center, exactly from the center line, 80. Place it. Okay. Next, go for the offset. Thickness will be 0.5. This will be 10 upwards and also 10 enter downwards. Okay. Next, join this one. 0.5 thickness, end point to end point. Okay. I'm deleting the dimension. Okay. So here you have to draw the circle. See how the before that you have a circle is there. Directly you can draw the circle. Okay, but hexagonal, sorry, flat of a square bolt is there. No cut line will come here. Okay, directly from the center you have to draw the radius. See, radius 40 is there. Okay, you have to make the this one according to diameter. According to diameter. Otherwise, go for the same method. We know that one from this midpoint you have to draw this one. But here there is no line, so that's why you have to go for the direct radius. Okay, so make it axis line. Go for extend command and extend it. Okay, from this line to here I will draw it 40 exactly at the center. Okay, so from the arc by center, from the end point to the this line. Okay, see, this side also one cut and this side also one cut. Okay, so delete the reference line. Okay, this is the headed bolt. Okay, next you have to go for the nut. Okay, so go for mirror option and take the thickness of 20. Okay, but minor diameter 17 is there, right? Go for offset. So 20 means same 1.5. Make it 1.5. This one also 1.5 upwards. Okay, and go for offset. This one also. What is the total length of the thread? 40. Length of thread 40 is given. Okay, so 15, 15, 1.5, 1.5, 40. Okay, so I will delete this one. Drag it downwards. Okay, I'll go for trim command. Trim it. Trim it. Okay, select this one. Press Control. Make it 0.25, 0.13. Okay, and go for the fillet. Okay, and choose the mirror command. So select this one, select it. Okay, so select the both the things, fillet, make it 0.25, 0.13. Okay, any extra line is there, go for trim this one. That's it. So this is the, so what you have to do next, you have to go for the chamfer at the bottom. So 45-degree line, tab 90 plus 45, 135 angle up to the line. Straight line, join it. Okay, keep it this one. Yes, go for trim command, draw it and draw it. Okay, so this completes the bolt. Next you have to go for the nut. So select it. Okay, go for mirror option. Any line you have to. Any one line you have to mirror it. Okay, so do it and move it this one. Go for move command and select this one and move it inside the thread port. Okay, next you have to increase this one. So what is the dimension here? 16 is there, remaining will be 4. So take it 4 command, 4 option command length and increase downwards and draw it. Okay, so select this one and delete it. Okay, so what is remaining here? Bolt is over inside the thread, sorry, inside the nut. You have to delete it. Okay, go for trim command, delete this, delete it. Okay, so here this line, if you want, keep it, otherwise, so use the split command, split it up to this one, split it up to here and make it the dashes line. This completes the bolt with respect to square.